Are you tired of struggling with cleaning supplies? Are all those products just too much to handle? Well, turn that frown upside down. There's a better way.
You got the power. Triple P.
Hey, Sarah. Welcome to the Environmental Service Crew here at Sunnyside Nursing Home. It's good to see a new face around here. I'm Charlie. I got your name from the nurses station, and I wanted to see how your day was going.
It's going well here so far. And you?
It's going great. Just working on the 3 Ps.
The 3 what?
Sarah, don't tell me you don't know the 3 Ps of environmental disinfection, product, practice, and perfection. Say it with me. Product, practice, and perfection.
What do you mean?
All right, Sarah. Since you don't know, I'll let you in on the secret to my success. Let's talk about product first.
Well, I have this solution here. What else is there to know?
Oh, Sarah, there is so much more that you need to know. We use an EPA-approved hospital disinfectant to clean rooms here at Sunnyside. There are 2 important things you need to know. You need to know how to disinfect appropriately, how to apply it, and the contact time.
Well, I've been using this microfiber mop to clean the floors and these cloths to clean surfaces.
That's a start, but have you been changing the mop and cloths for every room?
Wow, Charlie, I didn't know I needed to do that. Well, the mop didn't look dirty and neither did the cloths.
You need to change the mop for every room, and you should change the cloth 4 to 7 times per room every cleaning. You should also need to make sure that the mop and the cloths are wet enough to achieve the necessary contact time.
I don't understand contact time.
Contact time is the time it takes for the disinfectant to kill certain germs. This is anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes, depending on the disinfectant you are using. If your wipe is not wet enough, the surface won't stay wet long enough to kill the germs. You will be spreading germs around the surface, but not removing them.
Wow, Charlie, I had no idea. I've been doing this all wrong.
It's not a matter of right versus wrong. Oh, wait, yes it is.
Are you confused about which product to use? Does cleaning a room just scare you? Well, say goodbye to fright and think of cleaning in a positive light. Gone are the days when you doubt what you're doing makes a difference. With fresh disinfectant solution, each room and each item you clean will be clean. Over time, your mop, cloths, and disinfectant become more and more contaminated during use and become less and less effective. If you don't change them appropriately, you end up contaminating surfaces and not cleaning them. It's the science of pure technology that you cannot clean something with something that's not clean.
That reminds me, we need to talk about the second P, practice. Have you ever thought about which surfaces to clean in a room?
No, not really. I just try and wipe what looks dirty and hope I haven't missed a spot.
Sarah, my friend, it's not enough to only clean what looks dirty. We should try to be as thorough as possible when we clean residence rooms and wipe every surface.
I'm not sure I understand how this works and what you mean by thoroughness.
You should be cleaning from cleanest to dirtiest, saving the bathroom and the floor for the end. As far as surfaces, you should focus your attention on the touchable surfaces, especially those closest to the residents. These would be things like the bed rails, the frame, the call button, the doorknobs, things like that.
So I'm beginning to get the hang of the rules around here. Let me see if I've got it all covered. By combining the correct application and use of the product with thorough and complete practice, we get the 3rd P, perfection.
Now you're cooking with gas, Sarah. Almost there. Just one last rule of thumb. There's no reason not to take precautions for yourself and the other residents when someone's in isolation precautions.
Isolation precautions. Can you remind me what that is again?
Of course. You may see a sign like this. Or these. They tell us that a person has a really bad germ like MRSA, VRE, or C. difficile that easily transmitted by healthcare workers like you, me, and everyone else. So, when a patient is on isolation precautions, it means that everyone entering the room, including you, needs to wear the appropriate personal protection equipment. We wear these gowns and gloves to protect our clothes and skin from being contaminated and protect the health and safety of our residents here at Sunnyside by not becoming a source of cross-transmission.
You're right, Charlie. I'm really glad that you stopped in here today. It definitely made my first day make a lot more sense.
Anytime. And remember, we are not just a maid service. We are a part of the infection control team. By doing our part and cleaning well, we keep our residents healthy, safe, and happy. Welcome aboard, Sarah. Keep rocking those 3 Ps.